Yo! What's up mga buddy? Good morning. Ngayon ay January 20. At i-check natin mga kabady yung mga itlog na nilagay natin sa hatcher noong January 17. Siguro napisa na sila ngayon at tatanggalin natin yung mga shell nila para maluwag-luwag yung gagalawan nila sa hatcher. Si Pare Pablo, may bisita tayo. Good morning, pare. At pagkatapos natin matanggal yung mga shell nila, ay ihahanda na naman natin yung brooding pin nila para bukas. I-harvest kasi natin sila bukas, January 21. Tara, at titignan natin. Ayun, dami nang napisa. Ayan, patayin muna natin.
Deep in the shadow, I know it's hard. But one foot in front of the other.
Ayan.
So far is the echo. Where do we start?
Ayan, ang dami nang napisa. Tanggalin muna natin itong mga reserve natin na itlog.
Million stars.
Ilagay natin ito mga body na itlog dito para may unfertile doon. May papalit tayo.
Take my hand.
Yan, ang dami nang napisa.
We've got to find a way.
Yan, tatanggalin natin yung mga shell nila.
No more just admit that you're just afraid.
Tanggalin natin yung mga shell nila para maluwang yung gagalawan nila.
All your fears and pride, stand up beside me. Don't you hide.
Bukas pa nangyari.
Better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the
Ayan, bagong gisero, basa pa siya.
war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build
Para maluwang-luwang yung gagalawan ninyo. Yan, marami-rami itong i-harvest natin bukas. Yan, pwede natin gawing pataba itong shell ng itlog. Mayaman ito sa calcium. Ayun daw, napipisa na, lumalabas na. Ayun, lakas tulog.
Just admit that you're just afraid.
Yan, oh, welcome to the world.
All your fears and pride, stand up beside me. Don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way.
Yun, nandito na, bibingan naman to. Pera na natin. Para hindi ka mahirapan lobat. Mahala ka na mamaya. Yan. Welcome to the world.
From the war, let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all.
Yan, babalik na natin. Kurangan. Isa naman, sa 3.
A better day.
Harvest ko kayo bukas. Oh, yan.
Stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head.
pang reel ko, guys. Cellphone mo ngayon sa amin, si video na. Eh, mo man natatawa ko. Sa 90 seconds lang. Ayan mga buddy, natanggal na natin yung mga sililan, dami. Yan. At i-harvest natin sila bukas, January 21. Mga buddy, at ihahanda na natin yung brooding bin nila. Ito yung sinalpak natin noong January 9. May kandiling ko na ba ito, guys? May kandiling ko na ito, no? Kaya kabaday, at ihahanda natin yung brooding pin nila. Mga buddy, ito yung pinanggalingan ng sisig natin na binenta natin kay Kuya Sunny. Lilinisan na natin at dito natin nilalagay bukas yung harvest natin.
You come back, help me see you. Hear myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Hear myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. I'm tough, but still alive, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see.
Ano di pa nagkikita tayo na?
Not here with me. I'm tough, but still alive, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie.
Ayan mga buddy, kailangan natin i-disinfect yung brooding pin natin na paglalagyan natin bukas bago natin sila isalpak doon. Ay dyan. Disinfect natin ng sunrock. Yan. Mga buddy, lagyan natin ng rice hull. Yan mga buddy, nilagyan natin ng rice hull para mainit itong rolling pin nila. Pagkatapos lagyan natin ng dyaryo na sa pin. Huliin natin sa nasa ito. May kalat. Yan mga buddy. At siyempre, takpan na natin dito sa
You can say what
kailangan walang makakapasok na hangin. Dito lang sa taas, lagyan lang natin ng konting exhaust niya dito sa taas.
Maybe you should stop.
Takpan na natin dito.
Resisting it. I understand. It's scary. Bet you'd be safe in my arms, baby. Just take a leap of faith. Come on, just take my hand. 'Cause our private's irreplaceable. You don't see this kind of love no more. It's special, one of a kind, yeah. I know, together. If you let me be your girl, we'll take over the world. Together we'll go high, we'll make the most of life. If you let me be your girl, I can wait for the day, yeah. I wake up next to you, then they dream about it. Come on, just take my hand.
Yan.
'Cause that vibe is irreplaceable. You don't see this kind of love.
Lukan natin.
It's special, one of a kind, yeah. I know, together.
Yan.
If you let me be your girl,
Yan mga buddy, na-prepare na natin itong rolling pin nila.
take over the world.
Ano kita yung ilaw?
We'll go high, we'll make the most
May ilaw na.
of life. If you let me be your girl.
Yan. Yan mga buddy, hanggang dito lang itong video natin.
You've been
Bye-bye!